The Karcher SC2 Steam Cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. Easy to set up and with storage for all the accessories, the SC2 is ready to go in just a few minutes. Using nothing but tap water, the SC2 deep cleans all round your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed floor tool and microfiber cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens, the SC2 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard to clean places where grime and limescale builds up. Once finished, the steam cleaner can be easily stored and the microfiber cloths can be washed in your washing machine.